What's up, Katambay? Welcome to our Photoshop Tambayan tutorial. Today I will show to you another project of circular pixels effect with the other version. So today we will make a new project. So let us click our create new in our Photoshop. Then let us choose our size will be 1920 by 1280 megapixels or pixels. Then our resolution is 150 per inch. Then click create. So after that, mga katambay, we will choose our photo. So we will go to my folder. I have a photo here, this one. So you can click and drag to your Photoshop canvas like that. Then just press enter in your keyboard to accept, and we have to right click to rasterize the photo. Then we have to duplicate. Control J in your keyboard, so you have a duplicate of your photo. But we have to remove her in her background. So while I'm removing, I will fast forward, so we have less of time while you're watching. Just stay watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel and share. So let's do it, the cutting. So I'm using my pen tool, and I will forward mga katambay. Just watch. So after our cutting, we will now proceed to our project. So we will highlight this subject, our subject, and Control J. So we have a duplicate. Then we will go to our marquee tool, this one, rectangular marquee tool. Then we have to make a little line here like this. Then in your keyboard, Control C and Control B. So he make his own layer by clicking the Control C and Control V as his duplicate. So let's do it again. Marquee tool, and this side. Like this, and Control C and Control B. So another layer coming, this layer 2 and 3. So we have to change our background color by going here in the last last layer, the layer 0, our background. So go here in our adjustment layer, left click, then we have to go to gradient. So we have to choose here whatever color you want, you can choose here. Click OK. Then we have to change our style to radial, our reverse, our style here is reverse. Then our scale, if you like to change your scale, you can change here and click OK. So now we have to go here in our layer 2, and you have to press your Shift and Alt together. Then you have to put your cursor here and stretch out this thing. Okay, then press enter for confirmation or accepting that that stretch. Okay, so we have to go to our layer 3. So same, you have to press your alt and shift together and put your mouse here and stretch again and press enter. So we have to merge these two, layer 2 and layer 3. So we have to hold our shift and press this click this layer 3, so they are together now. So you have to press the Control E for merging. So we have to cover the subject like this, and we have to crop this. Okay, so we have to highlight this layer 2, then in your keyboard press Control A, then go to image and crop, then after Control D for deselect, and after that you have to go to filter, distort, and polar coordinates. So let's see our circle. Now it's perfect. So click OK. So now we have a perfect circle, but I think the background is I think we have to change because the same color of his of the circle, huh? So we have to change here. Go to move tool, to your move tool, then double click this icon in gradient. So we have to change our color. I think this is good. Then click OK. So our circle, we have to move below our subject. So click, left click, hold, and drag your layer 2, the circle, below your subject, then release like that. So this is our circular pixels effect. So one thing we have to do now is we have to put cut something here. So there's an effect to her shoulder. So we have to get our pencil. I will use pencil tool, highlight your circle, and we will put a layer mask. So this is the layer mask of the circle. So our hardness is 20, size is 20, hardness is 100%. So let us hold our alt key and scroll your mouse so you can see the thing, no? Zoom in and brush here. Make it big your tool by pressing the right bracket key in your keyboard like that. So here press your space bar so you can see your hand tool. So here we will make it like this, pass. I think it's not. So by this we will use our marquee tool like that. Then let's put this here like this. Then press Control X, so it's nice, huh? It's straight. So highlight this. Go to your brush tool. So now we will use the brush tool, huh? Or pencil, like that. Pencil, like this, like this. Space bar for your hand tool. So this side, make it straight, like that. Then Control 0 for a zoom out. So this is our circular pixels effect. So the thing that we will do is we will put next is a shadow below the circle. So let us arrange the head here. I think something is okay now. So let's adjust our subject like that. Like this. So there's a white here, we will remove. So highlight your subject, then Alt key, scroll. So we will use our eraser tool. It's too big. Left key for your keyboard to make it small, or let's use this pen tool, like that. Then press X, Control X. So now we will make a new layer. Click this layer 1, so the new layer will come up here. Then go to your brush tool, right click, brush, make it black, make it big. Then click here, below here, click. Oh, too much. So we have to adjust the hardness to 0. Then press here, like that. I think the shadow we will put under the circle here, like that. Then again you have to press your Alt and Shift key in your keyboard, then you have to drag like that. Then you have to adjust your opacity. So this is our project for today. I hope you get the step how to make circular pixels in Photoshop. So just don't forget to subscribe and like our channel and share. So that's all, and have a good day. Bye bye.